A school without a teacher is like a ship without captain. In the Arizona state of United States, they have decided that in one of their schools, instead of teachers, AI is going to teach the students for just 2 hours a day. Yes, you heard it right. No teachers, AI and school will be only for the duration of 2 hours. The Arizona State Board of Charter Schools on Monday with a margin of 4-2 approved this application to open a fully online school serving grades from 4 to 8. This unbound organization is already running 2 schools which are AI dependent and they teach for only 2 hours in Arkansas and Utah. Well, the students will learn only for 2 hours using the personalized learning programs from the companies like IXL and Khan Academy. And just as a reference, this is the website for IXL which I had shown you in the start also. And who is not familiar with the Khan Academy. Under this model, while the students are going to learn through these websites, whereas the AI will automatically analyze their responses, including their emotional cues. And based on that, the content that is going to be presented to those students, their difficulty will be changed. This would ensure that the students are consistently challenged and they are prevented from getting bored or frustrated. So now the question is that if the students is going to learn only for 2 hours in the school, so what will they do for the rest of the day? So according to the plan, they are going to take the students are going to learn about financial literacy, public speaking, goal setting, entrepreneurship, critical thinking, and creative problem solving during their free time. So the claim is that the students are going to learn twice as much as the standard school students would do, and just by spending 2 hours a day. That is even more impressive. Although the experts are skeptical about the efficacy of these programs, however, the Unbound says that their claim is based upon the experiment that they are running in students of Texas that is inspired by the concept given by Elon Musk. This story has been published on gizmo.com and you can go and read it for yourself. And so with this news, we can say that this concept that AI will not replace our job, but a person using AI will is no more true.